Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Galaxy wearable application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Galaxy wearable application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the app, you should see the Galaxy Watch 6 on the device page right here. Now tap on the watch faces, and here scroll down through the list of categories and find the category called Basic. Once you find it, find the Photos watch face in this category and tap on it. The watch face will change to the Photos one. Once it does, tap on the Customize button, and here we can set up our watch face. We can select the pre-made style of the watch face. Once you're done, you can tap on Background here, and you can tap on the plus button to add the picture. And you have two options, Camera and Gallery. If you tap on the camera option, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture and then use it as a watch face. And if you select the gallery option, it will open the file manager. You can select the picture or an image from your phone. So select one of the options. I'm gonna select gallery, then open the download folder, and here I'm gonna select a picture. You can also select multiple pictures, but I'm gonna show it later. So I'm gonna select one, tap on done, and then we need to crop the image. Basically, because the image is too big and it won't fit on the watch face, we need to select the part of the picture as a watch face. So we can move this around, zoom in, zoom out, and you can also change things like brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows. Basically, you can change them by sliding on the slider. Okay, so customize your watch face, then tap on done, and the picture will be added to your watch face, as you can see. And here we have a preview. Like I said before, you can have multiple ones, so I'm gonna add another one. Like that. Now we have two of them. If you have multiple pictures as a watch face, basically you can tap on the current watch face to toggle between them, to go through the list of the pictures. And because you can have more than two, you can have multiple. Okay, once you select the background, tap on clock type, and here you can select the type of the clock. Then you can tap on clock font, change the font of the clock. Then we can clock color. Then we have a complication, so basically the widgets. We can select the widgets right here. This is the first one. Then we have the second one, maybe something like heart rate. And then we have the third one. Come on. Let's go back. Third complication, and here we can add something like, I don't know, chance of rain. Then complication number 4, and select something like maybe weather. Okay. Oh, we have also complication 5. We can change something like the battery, date, and other stuff. And once you're done with the complications, you can also select the complication color. And then you can tap on the save button to save the watch face, and the watch face will be applied on your watch, as you can see. And like I said before, if you have multiple watch faces or pictures, you can tap on the screen on the current watch face to flip between them. And also, if the screen turns off and you wake it up, they also will be switching, basically. Okay, and then we can close the app. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.